Namaste, myself Vedant Mahajan, and I welcome you to the series called DSA 101, where we'll be learning data structures and algorithms from a basic to advanced level that will help you increase your problem solving skills and might help you crack a job interview. So let's dive to the zeroth lecture of this series, where we'll be seeing what we'll be learning about and what will be the roadmap that we'll be following. So, why is DSA important? DSA in itself is a vast computer science subject that has many goals. Many of you would have clicked on this video to complete one of the goal, and uh, we can say that it might help you become a good software developer, or it might help you in finding a job or cracking a job interview, or also some of you might have been interested in competitive programming and it may help you in that as well. After a certain stage, you will be easily able to analyze a situation pretty clearly, and in that way, it has various advantages other than just programming on finding a job in your real life as well. So, what we will be learning will be some of the following topics that are the main core syllabus of DSA in itself. First, in the upcoming video, we'll be looking at algorithm analysis, which will involve big O notations, theta notations, or omega notations that we use to analyze the time complexity of the algorithms or the auxiliary space that the program consumes to run. Other than that, in the future lectures, we'll also be looking at some mathematical problems that will involve some prime number questions or some pattern questions. Other than that, we'll be looking at bit manipulation. Then we'll be looking at recursion, which is a program calling itself. Then we'll be looking at arrays, which will be the first data structure that we'll look at. Then using arrays, we'll do searching and sorting as well. Then after that, we'll use the same arrays to construct a 2D array that we call a matrix and find its problems. Then we'll do some hashing problems. Then we'll use an array of characters that is called string. Then we'll use a modified type of array that has its own advantages, that is linked list. Using linked list and arrays both, we'll be trying to implement stack, queue, dequeue, and also trees, binary search trees, heaps, graphs. All these data structures are very important in terms of data structures and algorithms as a core subject, because this will be the main types of data structures that you will be using in any of the programming language to solve some questions. Next, we'll be looking at some greedy problems. Then we'll be looking at some backtracking problems, a very important thing that is dynamic programming, try, segment and binary index trees, and at last we'll be looking at disjoint sets. All these entire topics will cover the entire syllabus of data structures and algorithms, and not only studying this subject will help you. You need to learn some libraries that your programming language of your choice might have. Other than that, we just need one more important thing, that is practice. DSA is a subject in which you need to learn and practice simultaneously. While learning, you need to practice, which will help you understand the topic more thoroughly. So, what about which programming language to use? You can use any language of your choice, C, C++, Java, or Python. It won't depend on it, because in this series we'll be only looking at the overview of the topics, not going deep into the programming of the language, because DSA can be implemented using any language in your own way. You just need to know the algorithms. So we'll be looking at the algorithms as a whole, not going deep into any of the languages. Uh, if required at any specific place, we will be using C++ or Java as an example. Other than that, you can use any language to do so. So thank you so much for going through the entire video. In the future lectures, we'll be looking at our first topic, that will be analysis of algorithms. Also in near future, we'll be starting another series where we'll be solving lead code problems related to the topics that we study here in the DSA checklist, and so that we implement our topics on the problems as well to get a clear understanding. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.